Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is just playing around and kind of show you how you could draw this in just a few either steps and a few easy tools that you could make numerous patterns for your own use. So we're just going to start from scratch, and I'm going to use quite a few tools, but I'm going to get an ellipse, not holding down the control button, and I'm just going to do like that right there. Now I'm going to move the center rotation to there. I'm going to go to Windows Dockers Transform. Your version might say Transformation. And I'm going to make it at 18 degrees for 19 copies because I've already got one. Then you've got that right there. Go right here and weld it. I'm going to hit P, make sure it's in the center of the page. I'm going to draw an ellipse and hit P. And you want it, and then I'm going to hold down the shift key and let it grow from the outside. It would help if you click on it. If you hold down the shift key, it'll grow from the outside. And we just want to barely catch that edge. So our item is just 12 inches. We're going to change our nudge factor to 13. We're going to take this Smart Fill tool. We're going to fill that in. We're going to nudge it over. Don't really have to. Right click, left click. Let's go to Effects and Contour. Let's contour to the outside or the inside, 0.2, and we get a whole different shape. Go up to Object, break contour apart, whoop. Grab the contour and just nudge it back over. And since we've already got it rotated set up, we're going to click on it and have it rotate from the center. Sometimes you get the shape tool if you don't hit that X. And just rotate it the same. Now we can take away our ellipse and you get that pattern right there. Then you can do numerous of things. Let's take the 3-point line and let's go from that node to that node and then hold down the control button and you'll get a perfect edge. Let's do it like right there. Let's do the same thing, Smart Fill. Nudge it over. Let's left click, right click, and let's contour to the inside. Go up to Object, break contour apart. Grab the inside one, nudge it over. Rotation, still the same. Whoop, I did not change the rotation of that item to the center. And you get that. Then you can just keep going. See, we've got our circle right here that we used before. We can delete that. And we could actually do something totally different. We could, I need the 3-point line. And we could go here, hold down the control button, and actually go over here and hold down the control button. And then there's a number of things you could do. Just Smart Fill it, move it over, left click, right click. That's probably too much of a whoop. Whenever you're using the Smart Fill tool, you need to make sure you don't use it or don't do that. And let's back up here, whoop. Well, what happened to my shape? There's my shape. I'm going to left click, right click. What I did, I contoured too much. Let's go 0.05. Contour it. Go up to Object, break contour apart. Take that item, nudge it back. You don't even have to look. And now make the center of the rotation to the center. Sometimes it doesn't look like it is, but if you click on it, it is. Now you have a totally different look. You need to remember to take away your lines that you formed with. And you have a totally different design. And you could just keep going. You know, you could put one from here to here. You've got to have something to stop it from leaking. But that's a pretty cool design. And then if we look at it two different ways, we could do that. And and then you could still fill in these. And if you ever need to fill in something like that, just fill in one of them, change the rotation to the center, and do the same thing. And it'll fill in all of them. So rotate and transformation, docker, and contour. And then I would right-click no outline, and you have a total new pattern. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.